guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick review on Madam Gie Netizen Mascara. This is how the product looks like. This is literally how the packaging looks like. I actually just received it just now and I wasn't planning to make a video, but I guess I will. I mean, I'm doing it right now. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this thing and see how does it look like. It's kind of interesting, you know, when they use this kind of packaging instead of like the regular cardboard box. Okay, this is all right. I got it open. This is in the color black, so they have the clear color and then the black color. And the reason, oh my god, it's actually broken. If you guys can see, there's like a bit of dent over here. It's broken. Yeah, it's broken. Anyway, I actually bought this product because it's super duper cheap. This mascara, this brand Madam Gie, it's actually a local Indonesian brand and they're actually selling it for I think it's actually 11,000 Indonesian rupiah, but I got it on sale, so it was like 9,000 Indonesian rupiah. And so, you know, if I convert to US dollar, that's so much less than $1. That's so much less than that. So it's a really cheap one, but of course it's safe because it has been, you know, approved by the regulatory body in this country. And then you know, lots of people have used this as well. It's a legit brand. It's not like some sketchy and shady brand. It's nothing like that. So that's why I thought, you know, let's give this one a try. It says that this is a Netizen Mascara black fiber. I'm kind of afraid that there might be a fiber inside because I tried like a fiber mascara before and it was so bad. Anyway, let's just open this and let's see. Okay, ta-da! Oh, the brush looks well, the brush looks kind of, I guess, unique, and I do see fibers there, so I'm like, oh no, there is fiber. I mean, some people like using fiber mascara. I don't, so you know, to each of their own, but it's okay. Let's just, oh my god, it fell down. Let's just go ahead and try this thing. All right, where's my mirror? Okay, here you go. Gotta get rid of my hair. Alright, so let's see. I'm not gonna like fast forward this or I don't know, like edit this or anything like that, so you guys can see exactly like how is this mascara performing. I feel like there is like a weird smell coming from this thing. I'm not sure if it's like a glue smell or anything like that. Oh, I got some on my eyelid already. Oh, I'm a mess. But yeah, I feel like first impression, I feel like this mascara is kind of difficult to apply because I think because it's not dry so easily. And oh, I just noticed there's actually like two different sides of this. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but like there is like two sides of this mascara. So this side is like shorter bristle, while this one over here is like longer. So that's pretty interesting. I didn't know that. So let's try like this shorter and then the longer one. Well, it's actually the same. you can wear like whichever side and the result's gonna be pretty much the same anyway. So as you guys can see, okay, let me just make it clearer. So as you guys can see, this side doesn't have any mascara, while this one is after applying the mascara. I do feel it's lengthening. It is lengthening and it's volumizing, I guess, but it's not really that much of a difference. I mean, it is subtle. It's quite subtle, to be honest. And let me see if it's dry. Oh, it's not drying yet. So the thing that I don't really like about this mascara is that it takes a while to dry. I guess it's like not really good, especially if you are in a hurry. It's like I don't know, it's like you wear mascara and then you want to wear something else, like you want to move on to the next item and your mascara is still not dry. So yeah, I don't know. Usually for my other mascara that I wear, they kind of get dry pretty fast, so I don't really need to worry about, you know, my lashes touching other parts of my face and stuff like that. That's just not happening, but in this case it is, well, it is like that. And as you guys can see, the application is super duper messy. I don't know if it's because I'm such a bad applicator, I don't know, or maybe the mascara is just, you know, it takes a while to dry out, and that's why you know, during that time I kind of make mistakes and all that stuff. And yeah, that's just the way it is. Oh, by the way, I feel like I need to mention this. Although the brand Madam Gie is from Indonesia, but it's actually like this item is actually manufactured in China. So you know, if you're wondering, there you go. Let's just try and apply on both of my eyes. Okay, I want to try using the shorter bristle first and then the longer one. Okay, honestly, now that I try using the shorter bristle first, now I can see the difference. So like this one is if I'm using both the short and long bristle, while this one is I'm using just the short bristle. So it really is very very thin if you are just using the short bristle. Like it's just so very very thin, and the result is very subtle. So I guess it's suitable for you if you don't want to look like you're wearing mascara. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's try now. Let's go ahead and apply the longer bristle. Yep, there you go. So with the longer bristle, you can really see the mascara is like taking effect. Okay, this time I'm not making a lot of mess, so I think like the messy part is just because of me. I'm just not a good applicator, so that's the reason why. So yeah, this one is pretty clean. This one is not. This one is so messy. And yeah, I feel like this mascara is kind of just okay. I mean, you know, it does lengthen your lashes. It does like add a little bit of volume to your lashes. I mean, a little bit. It's not that much. I usually use the Tarte Man Eater mascara, and that's really 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 good. I've actually made the review video in my channel if you want to check it out. But yeah, this is the review for Netizen Mascara from Madam Gie. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.